had once been the pride of a bustling household. Over the years, it had gathered layers of rust and dust, its once shiny surface now dulled by neglect. One day, Emily, an avid collector of antiques, stumbled upon the iron during a visit to the village. Her keen eyes sparkled with excitement as she saw the potential hidden beneath the layers of decay. She decided to restore the iron to its former glory. Emily began by carefully examining the iron, noting the areas most affected by rust. She started the restoration process with a gentle scrub using a wire brush to remove loose rust and dirt. Next, she soaked the iron in a mixture of white vinegar and water, allowing the acetic acid to break down the tougher rust spots. After several hours, she removed the iron and scrubbed it again, revealing more of its original surface. To tackle the remaining rust, Emily used a fine steel wool pad, working meticulously to ensure she didn't damage the iron's intricate patterns. Once satisfied with the removal of rust, she rinsed the iron with water and dried it thoroughly to prevent any new rust from forming. The next step was to restore the iron's shine. Emily applied a thin layer of metal polish, rubbing it in with a soft cloth until the iron gleamed. She then buffed it with a clean cloth, bringing out a brilliant luster that hadn't been seen in decades. Emily's final touch was to recondition the wooden handle. She sanded it lightly to remove any rough patches, then applied a coat of linseed oil to nourish and protect the wood. As she held the restored charcoal iron in her hands, Emily felt a deep sense of satisfaction. This once forgotten relic had been brought back to life, a testament to the enduring beauty of craftsmanship and the power of restoration. The iron, now a gleaming piece of history, would soon take its place as the centerpiece of her collection, admired by all who saw it.